Here you are on the homepage of sbccedar.com. At the top, you can find all the website pages, and the one you need to click on is Samples. Here is the sample page. You can choose up to 3 colors for free. You can sort the sample 2 ways. First, in alphabetical order. Secondly, by using the filter on the left. You may choose among our finishes depending on what you need in your project. And you can also order a natural shingle sample if you want to. You can also order custom-made finishes following 2 different procedures depending on the finish. For semi-transparent, a message appears explaining the procedure for this kind of finish. And make sure you send us all the information below with your color sample. In this case, I want to order a solid custom color. On the right, you can see the shingle specs. If you have a special request, keep in mind there is a section for this before submitting. Step 1 is where you fill in the color information. We need at least the color name and brand. After this, it's time to choose the number of coats. In this case, I want 25 years, 2 coats. Step 3 is where you choose the shingle grades among extra, sidewall select, clear, and second clear. In this section, we also added shapes, and by clicking on it, our 8 designs appear. But in this case, I want sidewall select, so I just need to click on Add to Cart to continue. A box will appear in the top right of your screen. You can also find your cart at the very top on the right. So here I want to continue shopping. I will choose another solid color, Buzzards Bay Gray. Here, step 1 is the number of coat selection. Again, I want 25 years, 2 coats. For the next step, this time I will choose a shape. There are many nice shapes, but I need round. Knowing I can have up to 3 samples, let's order a weathering agent and viral bleach. So here, as it is a weathering agent, it is automatically 1 coat. I can go directly to the type section, so here again I want sidewall select grade. So now that I have my 3 samples, it's time for me to order. This is my cart. I can recheck my samples. I can delete a line if I want to. To order a new sample, simply click on Back to Sample. But I want to submit now. Time to fill in the delivery and project information. Let's do it now quickly. If your project address is not the delivery address, you can fill in this part, but for now, this is not the case. Let's continue. As you can see, every red mark means this information is mandatory. And the section here is for your special requests we talked about earlier. Of course, I want to stay connected. Let's click on it. Click here if you want us to contact you to submit your project pictures. And don't forget to follow us and tag us. You may see your project on our photo gallery. And to order, you just need to click on Submit and you will receive confirmation by email. When the sample is approved, find your dealer and place your order using the E number